Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, Gateway of India, the Taj Mahal Palace, Juhu and Marine Drive. Street food like vada pav and pani puri, numerous bars, clubs and restaurants, home to the Bombay Stock Exchange and Reserve Bank of India, a melting pot of cultures and traditions. Major business districts like Nariman Point and BKC, the heart of Bombay and pride of India, Mumbai. Amchi Mumbai, embodying the pride and unity of its inhabitants. Whether you're exploring its historic landmarks, enjoying its cultural festivals, or simply soaking in the coastal beauty, Mumbai leaves an indelible mark on all who visit. This city is a melting pot of cultures, languages, and traditions, offering a unique blend of the old and the new. From the historic Gateway of India to the Taj Mahal Palace, from the majestic Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus to the bustling streets of Colaba and the serene Marine Drive, Mumbai is a city of contrasts and endless energy. Renowned for its deep natural harbour, which has made it a significant commercial and financial hub, Mumbai is also the heart of the Bollywood film industry, producing a vast array of movies that entertain millions globally. Its culinary scene is equally diverse, offering everything from street food delights like vada pav and pav bhaji to upscale dining experiences. Originally a group of 7 islands inhabited by fishing communities, Mumbai came under Portuguese control in the 16th century. The British East India Company then took over and began developing the area. Throughout the 18th and 19th centuries, various land reclamation projects merged the islands into a single landmass. Significant infrastructure developments, including the construction of a causeway and the Great Indian Peninsula Railway in 1853, connected Mumbai to the rest of India and spurred its growth. The opening of the Suez Canal in 1869 further enhanced Mumbai's status as a key port city. It became the commercial capital of India, attracting traders, industrialists, and workers. The cotton textile industry flourished, turning Mumbai into an industrial hub. After India gained independence in 1947, Mumbai continued to expand rapidly. It became the financial center of India, hosting major financial institutions, the Bombay Stock Exchange, and numerous multinational corporations. Contributing significantly to the media and entertainment industry, Mumbai attracts millions of tourists annually, boosting the hospitality and service sectors. Having a booming real estate market with high property values contributing to significant economic activity, Mumbai is a pivotal city in driving India's economic growth.